Hi friends, after this class, some concepts of coordinate geometry will be crystal clear to you. Start with the basics. Find the slope, y-intercept and x-intercept. Find the slope, y-intercept and x-intercept. The equation is 3x plus 7y minus 42 equal to 0. So we reduce it to the form 7y equal to minus 3x plus 42, which we further reduce to y equal to minus 3x by 7 plus 42 by 7, and finally y equal to minus 3x by 7 plus 6. This is the slope-intercept form of equation y equal to mx plus c, where slope is the coordinate, is the coefficient of x, which is minus 3 by 7 here, and the y-intercept is given by 6. This is c, or the y-intercept 6. Now if we are asked for the x-intercept, then in the equation we take y equal to 0. In this equation, if we take y equal to 0, we have 3x equal to 42. So the y-intercept will be, for y equal to 0, 3x is 42. So x equal to 42 by 3 or 14. So we get the x-intercept as 14. Let us look at another example. Y equal to 2.25x minus 9. Now slope is 2.25 because y equal to mx plus c is given. Y-intercept is already given here, minus 9. For the x-intercept, we again make y equal to 0. If y is 0, then 2.25x equal to 9. If y is 0, 2.25x is 9. Therefore, x equal to 4. And this is your y-intercept. This is your x-intercept. The next question is, find the distance. Find the distance of the line 4x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0 from the origin. Find the distance of the line 4x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0 from the origin. Now we all know origin is 0, 0. Now as per formula, the distance from the point Mn to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is given by a into m plus b into n plus c. We take the absolute value of that divided by square root of a square plus b square. So in this sum we have a as 4. Just let's check it. A is 4 here, x is 0, the point x or m here, m is 0, so 4 into 0, b is minus 3, y is 0, so 3 into 0 plus c is 10 divided by a square plus b square, square root of that. Calculate, we get 10 by 5, the answer is 2. The next question is, find the distance between the lines. Find the distance between the lines x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 and x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Please note that if the two lines are parallel, then only we have a distance between them. If they intersect, we cannot find the distance between them. So here we see that the coefficient of x and coefficient of y are same in both the equations. So the lines are parallel. So as per the formula, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0, and if a1x plus b1y plus c2 equal to 0, this is the equation of two parallel lines, then the distance between these two lines is given by absolute value of c1 minus c2 divided by a1 square plus b1 square, square root of this a1 square plus b1 square. As per our question, let's look at the figures again. C1 minus C2, we can take it as 5 minus minus 3 divided by value of A here is 1, which is the coefficient of x, value of B is 2. So 1 square plus 2 square, take the square root of that. 5 minus minus 3 is 8, square root of 5 is root 5. So we can write it as 8 root 5 by 5. Now the next question is, find the number of integer coordinates. Find the number of integer coordinates lying in the area formed within mod x plus mod y equal to 3. Now, if you look at the equation mod x plus mod y equal to 3, we can have these values of x and y. If x is 0, y can be 3. If x is 0, y can be minus 3. So we get mod x plus mod y equal to 3. X is 3, y can be 0. X is minus 3, y can be 0. X is 2, y is 1. X is minus 2, y is plus 1. X is 2, y is minus 1. X is minus 2, y is minus 1. If you add any of these pairs and take the absolute value and add them, 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 0, 3. So, if we plot these points in a graph, then this is the graph you get. It is a square with diameter as 6. Now, we have marked the integer coordinates lying on the square as well as inside in the green dots. So, if you see the biggest line here, which is the diameter, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 integer points. Above that, if you go, then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 integer points. Even above that, we have 3 integer points, and above that 1. Similarly, below this line, which is the x-axis, you have 5, 3 and 1 points, which have integer coordinates. So the total is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1, that is 23. If we have to exclude the points which are on the square, then if you count, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 points. Subtract that from 23. Then only inside the square, we have 11 points with integer coordinates. The next question is, how many integer coordinates lie within or on? Within or on. This question is specific. Within or on the boundary of a circle centered at the origin. Centered at the origin with the radius as 5. So for center at origin and radius as 5, equation of circle is x square plus y square is 5 square. For our sum, since we have to find all the integer coordinates within the circle, we can take x square plus y square less than equal to 25. Because all these points which are x square plus y square less than 25 lie within the circle with radius 5. खोल रहा है घूम गया है तुम बंद अब आवाज मत करना